Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make seafood quiche. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including your favorite seafood, eggs, cream, and a prepared pie crust. Ensure your workspace is organized for a smooth cooking process. This foundational step sets the stage for a truly delicious and satisfying meal. We'll cover each component in detail, ensuring a perfect quiche every time. Begin by gently cooking your chosen seafood, such as shrimp or crab, just until it's opaque. Next, sauté finely diced onions and garlic until softened, adding a wonderful aroma. Prepare any cheese by shredding or crumbling it. Finally, blind bake your pie crust for about 10 to 12 minutes to ensure a perfectly crisp bottom, preventing a soggy quiche. Now it's time to assemble your quiche. Evenly spread the cooked seafood and sautéed vegetables into the blind-baked pie crust. In a separate bowl, whisk together eggs, heavy cream, salt, and pepper to create your rich custard base. Carefully pour this egg mixture over the seafood and vegetables. Finish by sprinkling your cheese and fresh herbs over the top for extra flavor. Bake your quiche in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 50 minutes. Look for a golden brown top and a set center. A knife inserted near the middle should come out clean. Let the quiche cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing. This resting period allows the filling to firm up, making for perfect slices. Serve warm with a light salad for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.